डोली में बिठा के सितारों से सजा के जमाने से चुरा के ले जाए सावरिया, जमाने से चुरा के ले जाएगा एक रोज तेरा उड़ा के जिया।
From Korea. It is used nowadays by our favorite K-pop stars. So if you are addicts and addicted to their movies, then grab this now. Important people like Cassie and advise us to the portable site to grab now because this is once in a lifetime opportunity. This product in millions of days. And the most common of it is putting it in a cellular phone. This page is said to be trusted if you appreciate and really want to live. Korean government permitted us to secure a permit for legality, so that we can sell this at affordable prices. Korean FNC guarantee us this specific thing as worth keeping. About it. One that asked her the reason why. You notice that I have little hair. Look at this hair. I have spent billions to make this hair soft, but it's still so dry. All I wanted was to have a dino-like hair. Oh, really? Yes. And the cut that for me hair beautiful will start soon. And I need to contact my hair. And so, I need to possess a perfect, shiny hair for that. Well, I guess, you just know what to do next time. We'll offer you an economic and very effective product. We offer you to try the Vanilla Shampoo! Vanilla Shampoo will make your hair shiny, smooth, and flexible. And it will give you the day-to-night hair you always wanted. Wow! My imagination is just working, and it's all because of your suggestion. Yeah, Vanilla Shampoo will surely guarantee your victory. Thank you so much, guys. I am sure to have shining, shivering, splendid hair.
Up in the sky, I'm champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I want to change by the power.
Welcome to the paradise of Chateau Honduras. Let this beautiful island put a smile on a gloomy face. The pioneer for cash and class, and quantity but quality.
I, the manager of Chateau Honduras, invite you all to come, relax, and enjoy the festivity as we celebrate our 100th anniversary. You can drive right and stay in the island.
You can rent a bicycle and eat a popsicle by the shore, or get a pillow and sleep under a willow tree, or smell the flower scent in the foyer of your villa.
The island speaks of simplicity, yet elegance and vitality, which is essential in nourishing weakened souls.
We guarantee your story because aside from your place, our staff are world-class trained and conduct good moral conduct and editing
to provide provide inspiration with subtle perspiration for those who come to the island. Chateau Honduras is located in the municipality of Cordillera, approximately 15 kilometers away from the city.